Hi, I'm Abby. I'm just about to start my third year at the University of Derby studying theatre arts. I enjoy inspiring people by telling a story with movement and speaking, and I just love performing. I love being on stage and I love narrating and telling stories to people. I wanted to study theatre arts at Derby because we are able to perform in a real working theatre, and that means that we can interact with people in the theatre industry every day. So we come across professionals in acting, costume design, producers, directors, and it gives us a taste of what the real world in the theatre industry is really like. Within the course we are offered a module called Spotlight on the Industry. So this means that each week we have a different person from the theatre that comes in and talks to us about their job and their career. So we've had visits from the marketing department, we had visits from the box office, we've had visits from the people that are involved with the university and get young people involved with the theatre. And we were also able to do work experience within the theatre. So I've recently done 30 hours of work experience with the youth theatre programme and got to teach young people how to act. Probably my favourite module was the applied theatre module. So this involves us working with young people, and it's about presenting an issue that's going on around in the world through theatre. So for example, we've recently done a production that based around climate change, and we toured around primary schools in the Derby area and basically taught them lessons, did a bit of a theatre workshop, got them to act alongside us, and yeah, just taught them all about how to look after the planet. Ideally, I would obviously love to act, I love to perform and be on the stage, so I would love to do that in a professional setting, and I would also love to explore social media marketing. So recently for our second year production, I actually ran the TikTok page for the production and I got a bit of a taste for how to run social medias. So yeah, I would love to work just generally in the theatre industry. As part of our course, we usually get either discounted tickets or free tickets to some of the productions at Derby Theatre. So we've seen a lot of the professional shows that have been put on, and it just gives us a taste of how the theatre runs on a day-to-day basis, obviously outside of our course. If you are coming to study theatre at the University of Derby, I would definitely say be prepared, because it is a great opener for the real world of acting. It really prepares you for what the world will be like, the long days, the long hours, but just enjoy every minute of it. It's a great experience to have. Studying theatre arts at the University of Derby has made me grow so much as a person as well as a performer. I've become so much more confident in myself and my performance skills, and yeah, I feel so much more me after this course.